The Jool Baby Nova Swing updated model provides a smooth side-to-side motion with multiple intensity levels so you can fine-tune the sway to what soothes your baby best. Its integrated Bluetooth and USB options, along with several built-in melodies, give you flexible ways to play calming sounds without juggling extra devices nearby. The swing is impressively light for an electric model and has a compact footprint, making it realistic to move from room to room during the day. A removable canopy offers shade, while the attachable netting helps keep insects and curious pets away, which is especially helpful for use near open windows or outdoors under supervision. The seat and frame are designed to assemble quickly without complicated tools, so exhausted parents are not stuck wrestling with hardware before using it. Overall, this updated Nova Swing combines gentle motion, convenient audio features, and thoughtful portability into a practical everyday helper for caring for a newborn.